Today we're going to install a EnaSolar grid-tied solar inverter. Now we've taken out the materials from the box, pre-drilled our holes. We've got 6 holes here, we're only using 4. It's more than enough to hold it up there against the wall. And with the hardware man provided, just stick them in so it's more than enough to hold the weight of the inverter and some. Got 4 screws up there. Next for the wiring. Pre-plumbed some DC cabling here. Now I've got 8 points of entry where your conduit can run through. Today we're choosing to come from the bottom. So just nip that up. Now we've got 1 string at the moment. Now there's 1 MPP, 2 inputs, so you can have 2 strings in here. Both the arrays must need to be the same size. It's all clearly labelled, so positive here on the right hand side, and then the negative on the left. For those of you who have thin film style arrays from the panels, may be required to either ground the positive or the negative input, and this is simply done by removing your required plug. So this version will make a positive earth, so simply move from the default point, which is isolated, move that jumper over to the positive terminal, and now that's wired for a positive earth. Simple as that, no kits, straightforward, away you go. So onto our AC wiring, just loop that up. Okay, now the earth, make things safe, into the earth bar, tighten up, phase and neutral, all clearly labelled. There we are, there's the wall mount. So the next thing is the inverter module. Hangs up there, quick and simple. Make sure there's no cables in between the face. Now there's an O-ring that runs right around the outside, that forms the main seal to a standard of IP55, so that's completely weatherproof, rated for outdoor use. So that's AC and DC plugs in. Next is the front panel. Ground tab, comms cable, and the Wi-Fi. And just the 4 screws. And there you have it, she's all bolted up. Last but not least, the antenna for the Wi-Fi. done. Got your DC and AC isolators, they are lockable in the off position for safety. And it doesn't matter which way you turn them on, that doesn't affect it in any way. So there you have it.